Hi, welcome back everyone. My name is Emrat. Well, you're using iPhone. You log into your Instagram or any other accounts on your iPhone, but after some time, you just forgot your password. So in this video guys, I'm gonna show you how to get your passwords without restoring them. All you're gonna do is just follow the steps. Let's get to it. First, what you're gonna do, you open up settings and scroll down until you see passwords. You tap on it and you enter your password or your face ID, it doesn't matter. So now as you can see, you got to this menu. So this is all my accounts. So this is my all accounts which I saved to my device. Alright, so if you want to get the password of your accounts, you just go to this. For example, I want to go to Instagram, my account, to get the password. So there is password section. So if I tap on it and enter my face ID, so I can get my current password for this Instagram. So you can try on your own and get your password. So if this worked for you, please make sure to subscribe and share it with your friends and family and follow for more. Peace.